Hello traders, this is the 1% Forex Club. Today I'm going to show you how to scalping gold. So right at this moment we'll take entries, of course on buy position, so let's take it. Okay, here you see my balance is $728. So from $700, today I'm gonna show you how effectively I'm flipping my account. So as you can see, price is now moving upward from our entry point. So let me introduce you how it happened, why I'm taking buy from this segment. So here you see that price is getting upward from this point to this point, then getting down here, and then getting upward again, and price coming down from this level to this level, then hitting upward, getting down, hitting upward, getting down, hitting upward, getting down, and hitting upward. So if we show you the point from here, getting downward, upward, downward, upward on the RSI window. So whenever you see this level here, from here to here, going up, down, going up, and this high to this high is a higher high, and here also making higher high. So it's making upward slope, and it will indicate that the price is moving up. So why price is moving upward? So here is our profit. So I'm just gonna take profit right now. As you know, we are scalping here gold. So I just taken the profit. So now pay attention. What strategy going here, I will explain you right now. So have a look on the chart here. Whenever we see that the price is hitting upward and moving average having good sense of going upward, we're taking entries here. But without that, we're also doing some analysis from the chart. As you know, here on this window, RSI window, here you see that the blue line touches the green, and price hitting also touching this point, and from this point this line going upward, so it also indicates the uptrend. And if you see that from this point to this point, if you see here the down slope, but on the same this point to this point also the down slope. So it is a if I am explaining that why I have taken that entries, then I can explain from here. If I draw something that from here to here, and from here to here, as you can see, this point and this point, and here this point and this point, what's happening there? Keep eyes on the spotted area, very important session. So if you see here, from here price is going up here, then bit little down, going up here, then down here and going here. So from here price going up, then down, going up. So this is a low. So this low to this low is higher low. This low to this low is higher low, and from this low to this low is lower low. So whenever you see price is hitting upward and you see this type of divergence on RSI, so if I draw here trend line from this area, to here, trend line, this area, if we connect this area, so here you see it called hidden divergence. So whenever you see hidden divergence, it means price going much further, much upward position. So that's why price is now hitting upward. So you see price is hitting upward. Okay, no, I don't want this. Okay, so that's why you see price is going up. Okay, So divergence and hidden divergence is two different things. So whenever you see hidden divergence, that means price will going to the trend, and divergence means price will going against the trend. I think you are clear. So explain again. Whenever you see divergence, if I draw here, if you see price is going like this, so if we connect this point, this is a higher high, then higher high. If we connect this higher high, slope looks like this. And whenever you see a divergence like that, so whenever you connect this high, so whenever you see high, higher high, this is the higher high, this is higher high, and this is a high but lower high and lower high. So whenever you see this slope is against this slope, I mean two different slope. Whenever you see two different slope, that is the divergence. So it means the reverse. It means reverse. Okay? And whenever you see that price is doing that, I mean here to here to here, and you also see here to there. Okay, so whenever you connect this line and this line, it is a divergence, what we call divergence. Okay, and whenever, so this point, this point connection is divergence, positive divergence. We don't tell this divergence, but we called it as slope is same, so price is going upward. But whenever we see this downside from here to here, it also in up slope, because from here to here it is also showing up slope. But in divergence RSI, from this slope to this slope looks like this, so it called the hidden divergence. So whenever you see hidden divergence, price will going towards the trend. So if a trend trending like that, so hidden divergence indicates that this trend is valid, it will going much further. I think you are clear. If you don't clear, put comment, let's talk it out, and you will be clear. So let's move to the strategy here. So our price is going here, downing, here, downing, here, downing, here, downing. Okay, now let's see in the RSI, from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. This is the RSI indication right now. So as I told you, divergence means the trend is over. Divergence means the anti-trend. or divergence means the changing of direction. So if we see here that after price going here from this area to this area, if you see here, if we draw this, okay, let's talk. From this high to this high, price going higher, but if we draw, if we mark the divergence, then here is the slope and here is the slope. So both of this slope is one here, to different direction, so it is divergence. So from this point price will going down. It means from this point price is going down. So if we take entries from here, we get a good movement here. As you know, this is the 1 minute chart, so you have to think within short period, because price movement every minutes, because it is a 1 minute chart, and as we are a scalper, we have to think a lot. After taking profits from my previous entries, I'm $770. So I want to flip it much further. So let's how to do. So now if you see here, if we draw trend line, here you see this line. I mean, if we, and you can see this line. So what you see, if we draw this point, and this point, then this is the higher low, this is a low, higher low, then higher low, and here if you see here and here, this is lower low, lower low. So it is a, but price is hitting upward, so it is a hidden divergence. So price will continue to the uptrend. So right now we're just taking entries to buy. So take entries. I'm taking entries. So I'm just taking entries. Okay, as much as I can take entries, buy from this level. So a lot of buy entries taken. So let's see what's happening. So in this video I have shown you, some of my viewers have questioned me on my previous video that from where to where we decide the price will go much further or price we should exit. So if you use RSI, you will be notified time to time that when should you enter to a trade and when should you exit from the trade, because using this RSI I show you the indicator setup. Here the RSI, it is 14 close 2 pixel. You can change the period. If I take it to 13 or 11 period, then you can see like this. So you can also keep this 11 period, it looks great. So taking this RSI indicator will help you a lot to take decision that where the price should go now and when to get exit, or if a upcoming trend going to change its direction, then the RSI will show you the divergence. So divergence and hidden divergence is the most pleasant indicator to know the market change, to know the market direction change. So you should use it on the most decent way. Here I am revealing the secret. So keep practice on demo. Right at this moment, price is now fluctuating here, so we can take more entries by we can take more entries. So it is very risky. I'm just showing you the way of scalping. You have to do a lot of demo practice to trade like me. So price is now hitting upward from the 50 moving average. Here you see that 259 and 20 exponential moving average is in very closing mode. All are in same distance, and here a big bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle seen here. And price is nicely hitting upward. We're starting to get profit. So price is now breaking our entry level and it is going much further, you can see. Right at this moment, price is now getting rejected from 20 EMA, and as you know, the 9 and 20, between 9 and 20 is your first restricted area where price can reject, and then it should coming upward. It is a good support zone, and the second support zone is 20 and 50. Price may break this zone or again can going upward. And if we draw here to there, this position to this position, slope is upward, and from the divergence point, this slope to this slope, same slope, I mean it is going upward, so no divergence happen between the price line and RSI line, so price will hitting upward. So right at this moment you see price is going much further here. Now you can enjoy the profit. It is almost 900 plus. You see how powerful the strategy. So here we looking for $1,000. Right at this moment price hitting upward much further. So right at this moment you can see here we are profiting $950, and price is hitting much upward, 966, and as you can see the price breaks the previous lines, previous heights, and it is straightforward to upward. And as you can see here that on this blue, you see here that the blue line touching green, and there is a nice curvature. This U shape indicates that this U shape hold the price to moving upward nicely, so price will hitting upward. And here you also see there is no divergence because if I draw a line, so if you can see the trend line here on the upper side, on the price level side, price line going upward, and on the RSI window here also the RSI sharp is going upward, so the same slope indicates there is no divergence. If there happen a different slope, I mean down slope, in the RSI, then it happened divergence, so the price will get down, or price will change. Price could change its direction, but right at this moment the price should going upward. And here you see all the moving average getting a very good setup, and still we are in $960, so we are still waiting to see the price near to the 1000 USD. Okay, now price hitting the upward movement, and we are $1,000. Here you see right now we are in $1,000, so price is now hitting much further. And here, as you can see, all the moving average set it up well, and here we are at $1,080, and here you see the big volume bar here, and all the volume bars above the 200 moving average. It indicates the good volatility market. Market is highly volatile here, and price will going much further. But I don't want to take the video larger, so I want to put I want to get profit from the entries. So right at this moment I am taking profits. As you know, here a lot of entries, so I have to take profit earlier. So one thing, you should check the videos again and again, and you should follow my instruction. You should follow the rules to scalping gold, and I can hold the trend because here if I show you how nicely the market is trending, I can go much further. If I zoom out here, you see the trend is just going upward from the 200 moving average here, so price is going uptrend. So here is a very good entry point. So how much can I earn from this entry? You can imagine. So I'm taking profits. I don't want to make the video large. Okay. So we are done. We did it. So here $1,020. That is the way 1% Forex trader trading every day. That is the way. From a single session, I just made it, and I don't need more than 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. I didn't need it. So how early I made it, from 700 to 1000, and I have taken profit very early, very early. I could hold the trade and I can get a huge profit from this trend, because the trend is just now hitting upwards, and fighting this trend you will definitely get a huge profit. So just follow the instruction given here. I hope you will improve your trading days, trading sessions, and let me know how you improve after following my instructions. Wishing you good health.